B-29 Superfortress, one of the most iconic bombers of World War II, continues to capture imaginations even in 2025. Though originally designed and built in the 1940s, the B-29 remains a symbol of innovation, engineering prowess, and strategic power. In 2025, its legacy not only endures, but also evolves. As historians, aviation enthusiasts, and restoration experts work tirelessly to preserve and reinterpret its place in history. Originally conceived by Boeing during the height of World War II, the B-29 was a technological marvel far ahead of its time. Its pressurized cabins, remote-controlled gun turrets, impressive payload capacity made it a game-changer in strategic bombing. The aircraft's most famous missions include the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which played pivotal roles in ending the war. But the B-29 was much more than a vehicle of destruction. It represented the cutting edge of aerospace engineering during a critical period in world history. Fast forward to 2025, and the B-29's legacy is experiencing a renaissance. While it no longer serves as an active military aircraft, its influence persists through restored models, air shows, museums, and educational programs. The most famous surviving B-29 Fifi continues to make appearances at air shows across the United States, thrilling audiences with its powerful engines and historic presence. Another operational B-29 dock has also been fully restored to flying condition, providing enthusiasts with an unprecedented glimpse into the past. What makes the B-29 relevant in 2025 is not merely its historical role, but the enduring fascination. With its engineering brilliance, the aircraft's design featured innovations that laid the groundwork for modern aviation. Its pressurized cabin allowed it to fly at higher altitudes, avoiding enemy flak and fighter interception. The remotely operated gun turrets, controlled by advanced analog computers for their time, were a precursor to modern unmanned weapon systems. The B-29 also boasted a range of over 3,000 miles, enabling long-range strategic missions that reshaped military doctrine. In today's world, where drone warfare, stealth technology, and supersonic aircraft dominate military discussions, the B-29 stands as a powerful reminder of how far aviation has come, and how visionary the engineers of the 1940s were. Modern aerospace engineering still draws lessons from the B-29's integration of systems, crew survivability, and mission effectiveness. Its success was a result of both bold innovation and painstaking attention to detail, qualities that remain essential in today's technological advancements. Preserving the B-29 in 2025 is no small feat. Organizations like the Commemorative Air Force and Doc's Friends dedicate countless hours and resources to maintain these aircraft in airworthy condition. Restoration involves sourcing rare parts, sometimes manufacturing them from scratch, and ensuring that every system from its massive right, R3350 radial engines to its sophisticated gun control systems functions as originally designed. These restorations are not merely mechanical endeavors. They are acts of historical preservation that allow new generations to witness the grandeur of a fully operational B-29 beyond the physical restoration. Digital technology in 2025 has also opened new avenues for preserving and sharing the B-29 story. Virtual reality experiences now allow people to tour the interior of a B-29 from anywhere in the world. Detailed 3D scans and interactive exhibits make it possible to explore the aircraft's complex systems, appreciate the challenges faced by its crews, and understand its role within the broader context of the war. These digital experiences are particularly valuable for educational purposes, providing students and history buffs with immersive insights that textbooks alone cannot offer. The B-29 story is also being retold through media, documentaries, and podcasts that dive deep into personal accounts of crew members. In 2025, there is a growing appreciation for the human side of the B-29 narrative. Veteran stories of grueling 14-hour missions, the terror of flak-filled skies, and the camaraderie among crews add a profoundly human dimension to the aircraft's technical legacy. These personal histories enrich our understanding of the aircraft, not just as a machine of war, but as a vessel of human experience. sacrifice, and courage. Moreover, the geopolitical context that produced the B-29 offers valuable lessons in 2025's complex global landscape. The urgency with which the United States developed the B-29 was driven by the existential threats posed by World War II. Today, the world faces new kinds of challenges: cyber warfare, artificial intelligence-driven conflict, and shifting alliances require innovative responses. The B-29's development underscores the importance of national resolve, scientific collaboration, and strategic foresight in overcoming seemingly insurmountable obstacles. Interestingly, the B-29 has also found relevance in discussions about the ethics of warfare. The aircraft's role in delivering the atomic bombs has sparked ongoing debates about the moral implications of using such devastating force. In 2025, with concerns about nuclear proliferation and the ethics of autonomous weapon systems at the forefront of global security discussions, the B-29 serves as a historical touchstone for examining the consequences of military innovation. One cannot overlook the profound emotional connection that many feel toward the B-29. For some, it represents the incredible industrial might and ingenuity of the United States during a time of global crisis. For others, it evokes the personal sacrifices of loved ones who served and, in some cases, did not return. The continued operation of aircraft like Fifi and Doc provides tangible links to these emotions, allowing people to experience the sights, sounds, and even smells of a B-29 in flight, a deeply moving experience that bridges past and present. As we look to the future, the B-29 also inspires discussions about preservation and sustainability. Maintaining these aircraft requires significant resources, volunteer dedication, and public interest. Fortunately, in 2025, there is a strong and growing community committed to keeping the B-29's legacy alive. Younger generations of volunteers, supported by advances in technology and a growing appreciation for history, are stepping up to ensure that these flying museums remain operational for decades to come. In conclusion, the B-29 Superfortress in 2025 is far more than a relic of World War II. It is a living testament to human ingenuity, resilience, and the complexities of technological progress. As it soars through the skies during air shows or captivates virtual audiences worldwide, B-29 continues to educate, inspire, and remind us of both the triumphs and the sobering responsibilities that come with advanced technology. Its enduring presence invites us to reflect on history, honor the sacrifices of those who served, and carry forward the lessons learned into a rapidly evolving future.